Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we'll discuss another interesting topic in Facebook ads, and that is how to create automated rule for your campaigns. As I have got many questions, like people tell me that if they are not able to see the campaign regularly, so how they can set something like if the budget goes up to $500, the campaign will be automatically off. So we can create automated rule for that thing, and we can do that in the FB Ads Manager section. We have an option there so that we can use that and create our rules so that it will be automatically implemented in the campaign if we are not able to see our campaign for any reason. So in today's video I will let you know how to do it. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video.
Hello guys, as you know, today our topic is how to create automatic rule for our campaigns in the FB ads account. So let me tell you how to do this. For creating the automated rules, first of all, you just need to go to the all tool section, and then you just need to click on the uh, automated rules option. As on the all tool option, you will see different options like ad manager, billing, payment, audience, business settings, event manager, commerce manager, and there are a lot of options there. So you need to find out your ones which you need to use to create automated rules, and that is automated rules option. So I will click on that, and once I click on that, it will redirect me to a different dashboard where I will able to create the rules. As you know, by saying rule mean to say if I'm not able to make changes in the campaign regularly, so I will create a rule here so that if I'm not able to see the campaign for at least 1 week or 2 week, I don't have time to do that, so these automated rules will automatically, you can say, applied there, and then we will not able, like, our budget not get wasted, and our you can say campaign will optimize accordingly. Okay, so first of all, what you need to do is you need to click on a create rule button, and once you click on that, it will you can say give you this option like create a custom rule. So first of all, give your rule a name. As I want to create a rule where if my budget is spend above 500, I want that my campaign will turn off automatically. So I need to create that rule. So I will name it turn off rule, like campaign turn off rule. So then you need to select whether this will be applied on ad set level or campaign. As I'm creating for campaign, then it will apply on campaign level. And then you just need to choose the option, which option will perform, whether this rule will be matched with our running campaign. So as my like I want to pause my campaign if the budget uh, like go above 500, then I will use the option turn off campaigns. It means once the budget go above the $500 budget, then it will turn off the campaign automatically. And then you just need to set a condition like when this will be happen. So what you need to do is just need to click on the plus button, and then here you need to add, like, we need to create a rule for our amount spent, like spent which increase if the spend is greater than $500, then this rule will be applied. Okay, and you can set the timing as well. If you need to set the timing custom, like continuously, so we have the scheduling option here. If you want to schedule it custom wise, like on which day this will happen. Okay, and if you want it happens daily, then it will like happen there. And then if you want to yeah, like make it every 50, 30 to 60, like if you have a big budget campaign and you want to spend like on 100 of campaigns in one time, and you are not able to turn off the campaigns like manually, then what you can do is You can choose continuously option. So what will happen is if the campaign goes above $500, it will automatically turn it off. Okay, so if you wanted some days, then you can use custom option. So this is the scheduling option here which we can use. And then on the Facebook you can receive a notification. If you want to, you can turn off this as well. And then what you need to do is you just need to click on the create button, and once you click on it, your rule is created. And yeah, you can turn it off at as well. Like if you don't want this rule now, or like after you use the rule you don't want to, you don't want the same rule, you can pause it from here. Okay, and you can also you can delete it as well. So as you can see, our rule is created. It's disabled now for all active campaigns. Turn off the campaign. And in the same way, you can create different rules. If you want to create a rule for ad set level, you can do it from here. You have different options here, like actions, which action will be performed if you this condition will happen. So you can set it from here, like increase bid by you can say $12 if the condition happens, like if the lifetime spent or if the results will go greater than 10, then $12 bitcal will be automatically implemented to the account. So you can do that optimization and all the things here. Like if you want to do it in percentage, you can do it from here. Like 10% budget will increase in the ad set if our results go above 10. So this is how we do it. This is how we create automated rules and use the same in our campaigns. So I think now you are able to do it at your end as well. So thank you so much for watching my video. And if you have any query and concern, you can directly contact us to the number flashing on the screen. And bye bye. Thanks so much.